Sophie.
Just use clock. Yeah, just use clock.
Come on, Sophie. This speaker, okay? Come on. So you have to be loud.
One day the three birds went out for a walk. After the bears left, the girl named Goldilocks came to their house. After the dog in a bag, so they should walk in. So there's no one in the house, but something sure smells good. Goldilocks saw three bowls of porridge on the table. Oh, I love porridge. Let me taste it. Oh, it's too hot. Let me try another one. Oh, it's too cold. Let me try the other bowl. Oh, yummy. Delicious. It's just right. Yummy. Goldilocks saw three chairs. I'm going to sit down. Oh, it's too hard. Let me try another one. Oh, it's too soft. Let me try this little one. It's just right. Oops, I broke the chairs. I'm so sleepy. Goldilocks was very, very tired. She saw three beds. There are three beds. Let me try that. Oh, it's too high. Let me try another one. Oh, it's too low. Let me try a last one. It's just right. I'm so sleepy. Goldilocks, Goldilocks, do not sleep. Goldilocks, Goldilocks, wake up soon. Goldilocks, Goldilocks, do not sleep. Goldilocks, Goldilocks, wake up soon. Goldilocks, Goldilocks, wake up. Daddy bear, mommy bear, mommy bear soon. Before long, the three bears came home. Let's eat porridge. Okay. Someone has been eating my porridge. Oh, someone has been eating my porridge. Oh no, someone has been eating my porridge and eating it all off. And then saw three chairs. Someone has been sitting in my chair. Oh my, someone has been sitting in my chair. Oh, someone has been sitting in my chair. Oh my, oh no, someone has been sitting in my chair and broke it. Oh my, someone has been sleeping in my bed. Oh, someone has been sleeping in my bed. Oh no, someone has been sitting in my bed. And she's still here. We live here in our house. Little girl, go away, go away. Little girl, go away, go away. Don't come back again.
Wow. Very good.
Wow, good, Sophie. Sophie, you can try speak louder next time. And you today is speak too fast.